Hi there, Tony Maynard here from diehardforeducation.com, and I'm at the photo for friendship, and this is in the relationship section for the print-on-demand business at Printful, which is the platform I recommend because they start you off for free and teach you everything you need to know on how to do print demand. And what I'm here to do is to show you how simple it is, to do the important part of the print demand on demand business, which is the logos, the sayings, and the slogans. So that's what I'm here to do. It's the best business. It's to get involved in. It's also passive income. So if you persist, of course, there is an element that you have to persist. You chuck out the losers, and you until you find some winners, and that's what you keep doing. You keep uploading more sayings, and that's how this is how this business works. Yes, it works on putting on sayings on caps and mugs and t-shirts and hoodies and jackets, and anything else you can think of. So without further ado, I think we'll get on with it, shall we? And we'll create another slogan or logo or saying. So here we go. I use PowerPoint. Here I am at PowerPoint, and here we go with the first one. Here's the first one there. Your closest friends you can count on one hand. And that's very true, You'll get these acquaintances that will come and go, but the real friends will stick around, and they will be your closest friends, and they'll be there long term, Um, and that's it, Here's another one. There's another one. Real friends enjoy your company. See, because this is about friendship, right? Um, and this is how this is. Your closest friends you can count on one hand. Real friends enjoy your company, and um, and great friends. Oh, what happened there? Okay, we had a bit of something happen, so we'll better do that. Okay. So we made a mistake there. So this is another one, because real friends enjoy your company. Great friends. There you go. All together, great friends enjoy doing things together. So that's another one. And there you go. That's just within a couple of minutes. I've come up with 3 already on the fly. They're just like that right in front of you. Didn't take much, did it, eh? See, so this is how easy this is. This is really basic, really simple. So you put these on your caps, you put them on the t-shirts and on your hoodies and your jackets and on your mugs. So, and anything else you can think of, as long as it's a bestseller, that's all you got to think about, And you don't cry over the losers. You don't worry about that. You just crack them out and try some more. Sit down and you do, and there's the big niches, which is or areas which I do, which I'm covering right here, which is health, wealth, and relationships, which they're the big 3. So you can do it any one of those. and then you can pick a niche if you want. You can go online, you can use Google, you can, you can go to, that's what you can do, um, in Amazon, or when any of the big sites, and you can find out what people are actually, what's going down, what niches you can find these sayings in. You can even go to Udemy. You can go to oh, mind you, that's courses mainly. You can go to oh, what are they? Oh, of course, I forget. Great friend. Yeah. So, oh, there, I've made another mistake right there too. So, you can do these things. What is it called? Oh, I forget. I'm sorry, I've forgotten what. I don't know what it is now. Okay, anyway, these are the three. I've come up with three right in front of you. There's a few places that you can check, and you can get some ideas on what you should do. Um, you can go to other sites other than Printful. Oh, what's it called? Etsy. You can go there, and you can go to other ones as well that do this print on demand as well. And you just do a bit of research. But the thing is, don't copy. Just all you have to do is just adjust. That's all. You can take the great sayings, the ones that are selling, and you can just adjust them. You don't have to. Don't copy, because you'll get in trouble if you do. I'm just warning you on that, because those sayings, and you can go to Canva and swish it up if you want. That's Canva's. You can get a free account at Canva, and you can swish it up with all their fancy fonts and all the rest of it. You can make it look really, really swift. I just do it here in PowerPoint, just as basic as it's just basic, just to come up with the slogans, the logos, and the sayings right in front of your face, and live too. You see, so everything that you see here is real. It's not anything over edited or anything like that. Okay, and I'll show you what I mean. I mean, it couldn't be simpler. It really couldn't. And this is what it is. See, here we go. There's a girl with a hoodie on, and she's saying, "Your design here," which is those slogans that I just did in a couple of minutes. I didn't take long. It didn't take long for me to put those up. You see, and I'll put one of those there on that hoodie, and that hoodie becomes unique in the marketplace. And now, no one else can copy that, because if they do, I can take them to court, for taking my intellectual property, and that is under the copyright law. So you see, that's why I'm telling you, don't copy other people. Don't take their sayings. You can take a saying that's a good saying that's selling, right, and you can slant it a little bit, change it slightly. That's all you have to do, and then you can get sales yourself. See, so you can do research on Etsy, like I said, research on Amazon, and research on Google, to find these things. You can do it. You can do it. Memes and stuff like that. You can do at the social media sites. Well, whatever. You can do a lot of research if you want. That's what you can do, and to find out and to test, and because that's what this is all about, testing. Okay, this business is about testing. See, so I'll show you another thing that you probably need to know, because you get a free account from Printful. They start you off for free, which is really good. That's what they do. They start you off for free, so you don't have to pay. Here's my account here. Um, and here's the best-selling items: t-shirts, caps, mugs, and a mat. You see, so they tell you to choose a product and start designing it. You see, and there's also what I've got is a with this Printful Printful the video, the first video on the under Printful, right? There is also a link to a tutorial on how to do a t-shirt business, t-shirt website, how to build it and everything like that. So you could do t-shirts and put logos on t-shirts, you see, and you can do caps and mugs and whatever else you want to do. I mean, it's just a t-shirt business. I mean that's really good. So I mean, that's what I got on my site so you can learn how to do that. And you can put anything on that once you know how to do it, but you've got to learn. You see, if you want to do it that way. Start your own store, through Word, and learn how to create it on WordPress, because WordPress is what I use. You see, that's what I use. Okay, I use WordPress. Yeah. So we go back to the sayings, the slogans, and everything, and logos. So right here they are here. Your closest friends you can count on one hand. Real friends enjoy your company, and great friends enjoy doing things together. And that's very, very true. This is all relationships, so it's on the relationship page. So yeah, that's what it's about. So yeah, so if you like this video, so get involved with Printful. You know, it's not going to cost you anything. There's no cost involved, and this is, and guess what? This business here, to print on demand, is passive. So once you get your winners, you don't cry over the losers, and don't say the old saying just because you're not getting the money immediately and go, this business doesn't work because there's no money. Don't go like that, because if you do, I'm telling you this, I can predict this with 100% accuracy. If you do that, you'll quit, and you will be stuck on, chained to the post like a dog on earned income, and you'll never get free. And by the time you turn 65, you will be broke. But with this, that's not going to happen. You can get free doing this, right? Free. And you can do this wherever you like. Wherever there's an internet connection, you can become a, what do you call it, a traveling nomad. You can do it wherever you like. Where there's an internet connection, you can do your business. And that's a fact. So you don't have to be stuck in one place, you see. This is fantastic. You know, this is the opportunity that I'm showing you. You don't even realise this, you see. Well, who wants to be stuck all their life in one place, in one job, just trying to get by? And living for the weekend. You don't have to do that anymore with the internet and with this particular business. You don't. It's up to you, you know. Just got to change what's between your ears and stop thinking, you know, getting gratification immediately. You know, don't worry about that. But don't give up your job at the same time. Just do this part-time on the side. Switch off the idiot box and get into it, and you know, just do it 10 a day, you know, and that's 140 a fortnight, and out of that 140 you'll get 1, 2 or 3 winners. That's what you'll get. You'll get maybe 1 or 2, or you might not get any, but then the next week you might get 3. You see, that's how it works. See, so you just got to persist. That's all you got to do, and eventually you'll have enough winners, so then you can quit your job, and you don't have to bother about that anymore, and you become a traveling nomad if you want. You can go where you want and do what you want, where you want, and how you want. You can travel around your nation or your country or where you live, and you can do what you want. You know, you're not stuck because you don't have to go to a job anymore. You see, you can do what you want. And all you have to put in here is 1 or 2 hours a day. That's it, to come up with logos. But if you're doing only 10 a day, I mean, that won't take long. Half an hour to an hour, that's it. If that. And you don't have to think too hard. All right. So if you like this video, smash the like button. If you want to hear more, hit the notification bell and subscribe to the channel. And I'll come back to you again with the next video. And thank you for watching. And bye for now.